What the bacon almost fun!
Today, we're cooking!
We're doing
Woo!
a mute deaf baking challenge.
Okay, so the teams are Jessica, me, and Adele.
Boo!
And Brooke, Reese, and Emily. Okay, I'm blind.
I'm mute.
I'm deaf.
I'm mute. I'm deaf.
And I'm blind.
Introducing our judge, Haley Claus! Woo!
Right there, babe.
Okay, we're starting. Wait, team photo.
4 trucks, I flew up.
Oh, not us.
Oh.
Nails down.
Reese.
Team photo. This is a whisk.
Water. Oh, we should have washed our hands.
Go get a cup of water. Okay, our ingredients, we need 1 cup of water. Half a cup of 3 eggs. Here, go to the fridge.
There's no way she's getting water.
3 eggs. Where's the dog? Oil! Where's the bowl?
Who needs a sip?
Is this the bowl?
Who needs a bag?
Okay, mix. Okay, I won't.
That's it.
Here. Adele, the bowl is in front of you. It's right here. It's in front of you. Oh, dump it in. There you go.
Is it done?
What?
Done?
Done?
What? Done? Empty?
It's Gracie. What do you need? Wash your hands. Here. I'll get you soap. Here's soap. That's soap. Oh!
Water?
Mixing!
We already did water.
Mixing!
Oh.
Good room.
I need water. I need water.
Mix it. Then you get it.
Mix it.
Wait, should we set up 2 cameras?
Yeah.
We're using 2 phones to see. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, you're scooping it? This is not the table. Sink. Mom! Hi.
Sorry, your car.
I can't hear.
Can I? What? Which one?
We're filming. Oh, I think. Are you laughing at me?
That'll be a funny moment for you.
Someone vlog her laugh.
Nope. Baby girl, shake that. You gon' make me spank that. I'm trying not to break that. It's the big payback. Your mom gave you all that. You better not waste that. See you got on all latex.
The top one.
Wait, stop.
I don't know what to do with this. What do you need? Oh, watch out.
11 minutes.
2, 3, go.
Bam, bam, so-wham. Bam, bang, it, take, ow, ow. Bam, bam, so-wham. Bam, bang, it, take, ow. Right side, work side, work side. Right side, right side, oh, oh, oh. Right side, work side, work side. Right side, work side, hit that.
Smack her or just one go comes off. Guys, we still have 20 more minutes. We're gonna do this for 20 minutes.
Got a stupid butt. Ski.
Wait, can we spin in a circle? Everybody dirty.
I'm trying to block the exit. Who is it?
Back up. Yeah, watch this. Let me be included. No, okay. No more.
This is like a haunted house.
Where's the ball?
Kaylee, out of here! I hear you, what's happening?
Brother harassing her.
Bro, help! Bro! Breathe, I got you! Bro, you don't got me! Oh! Breathe, I feel so far away. Why are my knees oily? Where are you going? Why is the floor oily? I got sprayed with something.
I'm just kidding.
I can hear laugh Adele.
Give me some. This is Gracie. I feel so heavy. Bro, get this. Whoever's throwing dogs at me, quit.
Y'all know I Sam is coming when the bitches want the boot. Baby bounce and shake that ass, won't do the twerk, they wanna do it. Get in there.
What is this?
The mic. Am I facing the camera?
How long?
Where's Adele?
I don't know.
Write it.
That's Ben! No!
Hi, Reed.
Bro, I just tickled Ben! Bro! I thought it was a dad!
Take me to go look at it, but I can't really look. Take me to go look at it.
Sprayed water
The cake. Is it right here? Can you describe it? Oh.
Does it look good? Okay, good. It smells good.
No, I'm okay.
I've got water sprayed on me already.
Jessica, are you hungry or thirsty?
Which way did that come from? Stop with this! It's me! Oh, it's me! Have you been traumatized or is it just me? I got sprayed in the face with water. I've gotten far worse. What is this? Who is that? No! No, my mind's just confused! Who is this? Brooke? Who is this?
No way. She said, look, Matt.
You tell me. You tell me.
No, dollar.
Who is this? Who is it? Who? Gracie? Okay.
No, girl. What are we doing?
Where? You're saying
Kaylee, come here. I have a present.
it's me.
Robert.
Is that Kaylee? Yes?
I'm the sick Moscato.
Music is this one?
Oh, it's so hot here.
So take off all your clothes.
Warden. Oh, what? Is it like exploding? Say a number.
2, 2, 0, 9, 1, 5. Go hard. I go up.
Nice and cold over here.
2, 2, 0, 0, 9, 1, 5. 1, 5. Okay. Snapchat. Yeah, there you go. Beautiful. What? Look at that bird. Yes.
Yeah,
on pictures.
Did you take one?
Look at you. We do have stuff. See, you found it.
Body's crying and all, but I good. Why are we so angry?
Be back soon.
Where's our cake station?
Do they have their cake already? They have their cake? Can someone give me a knife? I want a knife.
Do you have the spatulas to ice the cake with? I have spatulas. It's so really hot.
Oh.
You want a spatula or you want to use that?
Oh no. Don't do that. I'm just
Wait, we
joking.
need a video, Loki. Film. Oh, never mind.
Oh yeah.
Go that side. There's more room.
It's gonna break. Dude, you just
Follow their body. Just leave it like that.
down. Come it down.
Where's the frosting?
Okay. Is this the frosting? Here, here.
So you have to let it cool. Or else it's gonna melt.
It's my knife.
That almost stabbed me.
I can smell the cake.
Okay.
Don't forget it. Don't forget it.
I want a frost.
Hey, no fingers in the thing.
Can you tell the story?
Nice.
I'm just so excited.
Is that the frosting? Wait, I want a frost. I have frosting too.
It's looking fire.
Okay.
I don't know.
Wait, do we have red velvet or rainbow?
Tell it to Jessica and then I can read
I'm so close. But yes, so.
Yeah, no, you're not spreading anything.
Why do I have the mic?
Here, I'll just put it on the cake and then you can spread it.
There you go.
Okay.
Yes, there. Yeah.
Hello, chat. I've now gained the mic again.
You want a frost?
Sure.
You need some on the other side.
All right. Am I frosting? What? Did I already mess up?
It's frosting.
It's what?
Wow, you're doing such a good job.
Am I really?
I need a knife. I want to get a knife.
Get this side.
What a nice glazed cake.
Guys, look, I'm frosting it better than Jessica is.
How do you know?
Because I know.
How do you know, Bree?
Bro, she sounds like a stupid bird. Who is squawking? Bro thinks we can understand the squawking.
Obviously, someone mute.
Shut up! The frick?
I'm imagining me doing something bad right now to you.
What?
I can't see you.
You're imagining doing something bad to me?
Frosting.
Is that like in a sexual way?
No, I'm holding it
Hey,
back.
I hear.
Oh, that's a lot.
Bro, let me sprinkle.
What? Am I getting around the edges well?
Oh, you can get around my edge as well.
That's a lot.
No? Okay.
Am I the only one near this cake right now?
Yeah. You need help
Oh,
with
careful.
frosting.
Does it look good?
I need some more.
Okay.
Here. Just dump like the whole thing on it. Actually, no, just dump a little bit.
Oh.
No more. No, it
Good,
needs
Reed.
more, it
Good.
needs more.
Good. Yay!
Save some for the other two.
Nah, ours is gonna be super nice.
Oh, that's nice.
Actually, can you frost?
Is it good?
Candy on there?
What kind of sprinkles? Are they just like colored?
Rainbow and
Boom,
white
done.
pearls.
Ooh, they're quite close.
Big white crayon. Big white ball.
Bro, this is terrible.
I don't think that would be good.
What?
Wait, I have an idea
This
for
looks
sprinkles.
good.
Let's do like a smiley.
Here? Wait, what time is
I
it?
thought she was
What?
a Brody.
What time is it?
I don't know.
Time. What?
It's the Georgia.
80K.
9:30?
Yes.
It's Georgia.
You deaf?
No, I just can't hear without
No,
talking.
yeah, you're blind. You should be able to hear. That's really good.
Bro, shut up. Are we done? I can't take. When can I take my blindfold off?
When we're all done with judging.
Oh, bro, it's getting lonely.
We should let it cool longer.
Say your thoughts.
You're done.
Is it melting? Does it look like a heart? Is it melting?
Oh, you're making a heart.
Like, it's supposed to be like a white base, and it's kind of melty.
So it kind of looks like. I wish I could see.
Nah, Dad, me too. You could see, I would slap Jessica in the face.
Is someone near us? I feel like I feel a presence.
Sorry, Kennedy. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll let you open it.
I can just picture it and it's gonna look so good. Yeah, that looks good. Guys, can we have more dancing time? I really like whenever we dance.
Bro, they said their cake. They said our cake was ugly.
Hey, do you want us to search something up? God, you got you so fun. Hey, and she said she's on her way. Hey, can you search any of the internet dance?
Right now.
What it looks like? Emily, do you want to go to the dance party? I'm making Joji's mom. Is Dad doing Joji's mom? Yeah. I'm gonna make one for him in case he wants to. Okay.
I just.
Is it for Sonic?
No.
Is Daphne here?
I'll take the ring.
Okay, Jessica, okay. Ladies, one at a time. What?
Hey, you can't look.
Yes, I can. I'm looking right now.
No, you can't. No, you can't.
Who are you talking to?
Losers should have to
Who are you talking to?
And like in the shower, your shower.
Is this an Among Us character? Huh?
This looks like poop.
You have something on your face.
This looks like poop in my mouth, bro.
Nah, TS.
It's literally sprinkled with white around.
This looks like an Among Us character.
Oh, I think I know what it is.
Keep your thoughts.
Touch me.
Can I ask after?
Yes.
Wait, what is it?
Yes.
Can you tell me what it is? Why?
Can I have my Diet Coke?
Is that a
It's a bunny.
No, there's too many.
I know what it is.
No? What was it? A jazz? But I think it's a jazz. That's because Taylor wants to be on a lead.
Is it done?
You go right.
I wish I could see. We're done.
Let there be light.
Is that a jelly cat?
You're done.
We're done.
Yeah, Adele, we did not give them a lead. That's just me. I'm at Epcot trying to do We're gonna be graded on creativity, taste, and overall. Whoever so it's out of 30. So.
Can we make a petition to ban Emily's handwriting? Okay, ready? Alright, this is the one. Alright, this is the one, alright?
You have to come see me.
Just pretend it went in.
He's just gonna jump.
Angie, are you ready?
Emily,
Very different.
wait, take 2 pictures.
But you know, these are not what they look like when you were making them. Like they look completely different.
They look better or worse?
Way better.
Oh shoot, thanks.
I was a little worried.
It's a little boo-boo.
Okay, are we able to cut now?
Ours is a heart.
For love.
Yeah, it's so hard. Look, I did the white sprinkles.
Can I cut my own?
Oh, I love the 2 flavors
it is
too.
You need to take pictures of it.
Yes, take a picture.
I want to take a pic.
He does.
Dark woods, something in between.
This one might be the best piece.
Ben is grading.
Ben is what?
Grading. No. Good.
Wait, let me try.
Wait, can you pick up the...
Don't share your opinions.
Give me one. Cut me a corner slice.
It's like 2. I'm a fiend for the corner slice. Mmm.
Mom, you can't just give it a high rating because it's red velvet.
Actually, what you don't.
Wait. I'm not done with my bite.
I'm gonna try it.
Okay, go.
Can I eat now?
Whole thing.
Okay, first is
Mmm.
How is it?
It's really good. It's moist.
Moist.
But then not,
Dad, are you done?
not dry at all.
I do too.
We also split it.
I'm just laughing.
Bad news audio cut out, but
Team to 1.
Go faster!
Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a banger with this one.